So today we're going to approve a purchase order in pharmacy. So first let's go ahead and select pharmacy, and under pharmacy we have procurement, and under procurement we have purchase order approval. Let's go ahead and select that, and we arrive at this page. Here we have the option to search. We can search from a certain date to another date, or we can search using the supplier, or we can search using the requested user or the requested department. We can also search using the purchase order number, or the requested value, or the approved value. We also have the option to decide how the maximum number of results we get with each search. We also have the option to search for all the requests or search approved requests, meaning we can just look up the requests that have already been approved, or we can search to approve requests, meaning we can selectively look up the purchase orders which haven't been approved yet so that we can approve them. So I'm just gonna search using the date for now. So I've selected a date right here, and I'm gonna select search all requests, and all the requests from 8th March to 10th March that have been requested, all the purchase order requests are here and are displayed here. And here we have the option to approve it, edit it, and view the purchase order approval. So as you can see, for this first one, we have purchase order request right here. We don't have the option, we cannot select the option to approve it, because which means that the order hasn't been finalized yet. But we do have the option to edit it, so you can go ahead and select edit purchase order. And if there are any changes that are needed to be made, let's say I'm going to get rid of this, and then if we are done editing it, we can go ahead and finalize the purchase order right here. So the order has been finalized, and then we can go back to purchase order approval right here. And if we look it up, we can see that now we have the option to approve that purchase order. So we can go ahead and approve it, select approve, and then we can see all the items that have been requested. We can also see the payment method. If you want to change it, we have the option to change the payment method then if necessary. We also have the option to remove any of the items. If we cannot approve any of the items, we can just go ahead and get rid of it using the delete button here, or we can select remove all right here. We can select something over here and then say remove all, and they will be removed from the approval. Those items won't be approved for purchase. And if you want any details about any of the items that are to be approved for purchase, you can just select it here and select the date and select view details, and we can see all the details about the stock, the pharmacy sales, PHTs issued, and the pharmacy wholesales, all that information about the item that we've selected. And if everything's clear, we can select approve, and the purchase order has been approved. So if you want to print the purchase order, we have the option to do so. We can print the purchase order right here. And since we're done approving it, we can select go back to purchase order list, and we can approve another order like so. That's all for purchase order approval. Thank you for watching.